Napoli have made an offer to Manchester United of £59 million for Alehandro Garnacho. I really don't know how I feel about this Garnacho thing, but here's my take. But the thing is with Garnacho is we all know that we have a new coach, which is Ruben, and Ruben has a different type of style of play, and he had a press conference today, and he literally said, I want Garnacho to adapt to a certain style of play, and obviously as Garnacho has been our star player, and coming a new management, obviously some players are going to shine because they could literally simply adapt it to that new coach's style of play. And you might probably struggle for a little bit, and it might take you some time for you to understand that style of play, because he was literally explaining that Garnacho needs to learn to play more infield, because mainly we all know Garnacho is just a winger. He just runs on the wing, and he had the problem of carrying back. That was one thing about Garnacho. So I feel like even certain things like that could literally affect the player's decision of leaving a team, because right now he's not playing that much, which is good. I feel like what I love about Ruben is that he's honest. If you do what I want you to do, I'm gonna play you. I'm gonna give you some game time. If you're not doing what I want you to do, you're gonna be benched. That's Ruben for you. So I feel like if Garnacho really wants to stay in Manchester United, which he should want to stay, I feel like he should just work hard and forget about these moves, man. I know in Napoli he's gonna be their star player. He's going to be literally getting some game time, but I feel like even in Manchester he could be the player, if he could literally just work hard. Because I feel like most of these players, just like you can see Rashford, I think Rashford is just literally lazing out. But anyway, with Rashford's story for another day, So I feel like Alehandro Garnacho should just not laze out and feel like, let me just go to a new team and be a new player, star player, and be valued, We do value Garnacho, but I feel like he should just obey by Ruben's rules, stay on the team, be with the team. We could be literally the elitist team. Because even if he doesn't go to Napoli, he's going to end up being by Tottenham, because Tottenham is also interested in this race for Alehandro Garnacho. But I feel like he should just stay, bro. Just learn from Ruben. Learn what Ruben wants you to play. And I feel like it's going to also help him to be more fit. Because if you could look at Garnacho right now, he can run a pace going forward, but cannot literally maintain the very same pace. Literally just for one run and, just come back. He cannot do that, which was the Garnacho that when Garnacho started playing on the first team, he could literally run forward and come back, But I feel like that thing of becoming like a star for the team, you start feeling, that's one thing I feel like killed a lot of players in Man United, your Rashfords, feeling entitled on the team, So I feel like Garnacho shouldn't accept the offer, because I love one thing about Ruben. If you want to leave, he's going to tell you, leave. You can leave, But I feel like Garnacho should stay with Manchester United and work hard, man. I feel like we've lost that thing of working hard, but I can see what Ruben is doing to the team. He's trying to bring that working hard mentality on the team, which is a good thing, and I love the spirit. I love the team spirit they're having. So anyway, that's my take about the Alehandro Garnacho rumors to Napoli. Tell me how you feel about that in the comment section. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. From me, Mr. Sparkles, I'm out. Peace.